And today, I'm handbrake parallel parking that Fiesta in between them two cars. Let's see what happens. Let's get it. Yes, my friends, welcome back to today's new video. I did ask a few of you in the comments section in the last video to have a guess what you thought it would be, but unfortunately nobody guessed it, guys. You let me down. But today, I am handbrake parallel parking this Fiesta in between those two cars right there. It's a sad day. I was hoping to use the bad boy KA, but yesterday afternoon when I looked for the keys, we couldn't find them. So it's a sad day for the KA. Hopefully she'll be up and running for next time, but who knows. I don't really fancy spending a couple of £100 getting a new key sorted. So if I can't find it next week, then she had a good run, but it's time to say goodbye. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, follow me on Instagram, there's my account now. Let's grow this YouTube, the support's been crazy, and let's keep it going. This new series I'm doing is going to be called the Bangerlympics. So I'm going to try and keep hold of this one this time, better kit management, hopefully I don't lose the keys. And every video I'm going to do something new, a new challenge with the cars, and just grow this series. The tug of war series, I'm thinking about keeping it separately, but I might merge the two together on a later date, I'm not too sure yet. So in light of the KA, I think it's only right we spray paint something on this car. Obviously took the learner plates off because we don't take no L's on this channel. What should we start with? It's come out more like a hand, but it was supposed to be a flame. And then I think it's only right to put the bad boy HA on there for the big dog Henry Arnold. I've had a couple dry runs already just to see, just to try run for size, and I haven't yet been able to get it in between the gaps. This is actually where my last try ended up. I was a bit scared, I won't lie, I was a bit nervous, a bit apprehensive, but I have cut the airbag lines in it so that I don't get any nosebleeds from an airbag smacking me in the head. Don't fancy going 3 rounds with Mike Tyson today in this motor. So I've done all that. I'll quickly show you inside the car. She's hanging a little bit. There is a few issues with it, as there are with all cars in this yard. But remember guys, I've seen a few people say that some of the cars in this yard are too good to scrap. What you see on the outside isn't always the story with the car. The clutch might be gone, the head gasket might be gone, or the engine might be completely. Don't always judge a book by its cover, and there is always a reason that a car's in this yard. We're not just throwing cars away for the sake of it. But yeah, look, she's dirty inside, she's untidy. Look, I've had to make do with the seats and actually put cable ties on there. So, and look at that, there's a dog poo bag in the back. So hopefully that's not full, and I don't fancy finding out. It looks like somebody's jumped out of a parachute, forgot to put their parachute and landed on the roof. They're not even alloys. Look, they're not alloys. Look, if you look through there, you can see, nice little feature, that they're actually steel wheels in there. So this car is absolutely. Let's see what she's got. I've done a few handbrakes with her already, as I said. She handbrakes really, really well. Hopefully I can get it in there. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Hopefully I haven't got a trip up the hospital later on. We'll soon find out. And as they say in them cooking shows, here's one I made earlier. Look, banging flame on there. Drew that. I've got very good artistic talent, but when I'm under pressure, it goes for pot, like you see at the front. When I went down to Yanamaz to drop that McLaren off, I see on his wheels he had Yanamaz done in a white. So I thought I might nick a bit of inspiration from him and do like my own sort of white. What do you reckon on that then? I think that looks better than the Urus, I can't lie. I think what's making that better than Yanni's Urus is the flame on the side and the overall complexion of my Fiesta. But let's get cracking with it and see how badly I'll get hurt. Hopefully I don't. If anybody's watching with a YouTube channel and you fancy collaborating in my yard, hit me up with an idea. Whatever it is, I'll tell you what I think. But this one, this challenge here and the tug of war, I want to get some people involved. I want to get you in. Bring your car in, see what you can do. Because no one can defeat me. I am the best. If anyone wants a stalling competition, I will definitely win that. That Audi R8, obviously it's a single clutch. I've got the automatic version. Doesn't roll, like it doesn't have the roll when you are in idle, it just stays still. And yes, I have stalled it. So, you're chatting to the guy who stalled an automatic car. But you didn't think that could be possible, did you? Right then, see what we can do. Right. I can't lie, I said it in the video, I said I was about to go ham on it. Look where I've ended up. 3 foot short from even touching the cars. I'm a bit nervous. Look, I'm shaking, I'm trembling. Right, round 2, come on. Let's stop being a melt, grow a pair. That was closer. That was. Oh, I'm getting more confident. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling good. Lewis Hamilton, watch out. What I need to do next time is drive up, literally here, and then whip the handbrake up, and it shunts you forward, obviously. So it's gonna take some courage. Come on. When I've done my driving test, this is how he taught me to get out of bays quicker and more efficiently. See, look, a little hack for you if you want to do it quicker, just give one of them. Let's get it. That did actually hurt a little bit, I can't lie. I banged my shoulder on the window. But we move. I didn't expect it, didn't see it coming. If there had any substitutes, I'd get one on right now, because I'm feeling a little bit worse for wear. Confidence is a little bit down, but I said at the start I'd get it in there. So I'm going to do that for you guys. One last go. Let's get it done. Yes guys, smashed it. Look. Because I smacked into the front of that, I pushed it back a little bit, but had that have been there where it used to be, this would have been perfect. So I'm going to give myself that one, guys. So if you enjoyed that video, hit the subscribe button, follow my Instagram, press the like button. Next week, I'm doing a Q&A, so I'm going to drop it on my Instagram, some Q&A questions. Got another Arnie tracksuit on. It's number 6 now, so I'm not endorsed, as I said in my last video, but Arnie, if you're watching, come on, let's do a little collaboration. Arnold x Henry Arnold. What's the worst that could happen? Crep check. Oh, they are. Somebody asked me quick. They are sight boots, size 7. After today's performance, I think it's only right that she stays. I think the KA's got to go. She's looking a little bit worse for wear. Obviously, the wheel arch wheel. But even now, look, she's wagging her tail. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Yeah, she is. But until next time, guys. Peace out. All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself.